Glad to stay with us. And still continuing with the earnings season, making sense of some of the results that we have received so far. We have Transcorp Q3 result. And so in 2021, the revenue was 85.59 billion naira. In 2022, it was 96.25 billion naira. The percentage change there, 12.45. For profit after tax in 2021, 13.47 billion naira. In 2022, 19.04 billion naira. The percentage change there, 41.35. For earnings per share, 18 kobo in 2021 and 22 kobo in 2022. For profit margin, 2021, 15.74. And in 2022, 19.78. Well, if you can hear me, Mr. Oladipo, despite the extremely challenging business environment, this particular conglomerate with investments and in the hospitality, power and oil and gas sector recorded impressive growth in its profits after tax. It rose by 41.4% to 19 billion naira. That's up from 13.3 billion naira recorded the previous year in September 2021. And we also see that the operating income grew by 14.5% from 27.5 billion naira in September to 31.5 billion naira in 2022. Now, looking at all of these things, really, talk to us and to what do they owe this impressive result? That's Transcorp.
I think Transcorp, if you look at, just as you have mentioned, their business structure, they're into hospitality business, they're into power, and they're into oil and gas. When you look at the oil and gas business for the year, it's a very good year for anyone in that industry, considering the level of the prices of prices globally, and that has also helped the business. The energy business is a very good one for them, and it's very nice for when you look at the business structure overall, where they've been able to actually diversify their business from power to energy and also to hospitality, and that we can see the effect of that in the result that they posted. And if you look at that, they've been able to improve their revenue by about 12.45%, and also they've been able to grow their profit after tax significantly by about 41%. And also, if you look at the profit margin, it simply means that they've been able to transfer even the level of increase in prices globally in the market. They've been able to transfer that to their customer because of the level of services that they provide to customers. So it's something that that actually played out very well for them. And it means that when you look at this company as a whole, it's a very good company that one would likely want to actually buy and actually invest in at this particular point in time. Also, when you look at the fact that the oil market is a very good market as well.
All right, I think that's a good place. We can just take Mr. Garuba's thought here. Mr. Garuba, talk to us about Transcorp result very quickly in few seconds before we move to the other results we have here. Mr. Garuba, if you can hear me. Okay, so Ambrose, very quickly.
Yeah, like he had just said, you know, if you look at the product line or the service they are into, you mentioned oil. These are subsidiary of what they are doing because they have it's a conglomerate company already. But the main core business that really supported that line is the power, the energy side. And you know that energy is essential. And when it comes to utility, people don't joke with it, and they can easily push the price towards to consumer. Pay as you go. If you don't pay, no light. For that, I believe that will also go further to support them. And it's not a thing that I said it is because it is rainy season or this world. It's constant that you need light to power a lot of things. That means they're into a sector that business is there for them. But for me, it's a stock that is attractive at the kind of price. But the only fear people are having that for capital appreciation, but for dividend payout, they've not shown the kind of payout has not improved for a long time. If this time you are seeing almost 21 to 22 kobo for earning per share for third quarter, at the end of the year you can see 40 kobo or around 38 kobo or 35. You can pay a good dividend of 10 kobo from it. Apart from that, 1 kobo, 2 kobo, 3 kobo dividend, that will move the price to 2 naira, because as we speak now, because of the 1 kobo, 2 kobo dividend, the price struggle to go around the 150 kobo come down. But once investors start seeing 10 kobo coming from Transcorp, to change the face of the company, because I will tell you, they have all it takes that will support their world, their cash flow, and the bottom line at the end of the day.
All right. Very quickly, let's move on to University Press unaudited Q2 result. The revenue they had, 1.55 billion naira in 2021. and in 2022, 1.75 billion naira. The percentage change there, 11.41. For profit after tax, 243.78 million naira. 2022, 297.72 million naira. Percentage change, 22.13. For earnings per share, 57 kobo in 2021, and in 2022, 69 kobo. Well, if you can hear me, Mr. Ajayi, I'd like you to talk to us about this.
Yeah, if you look at university price, they posted a very good number. When you look at the revenue moved from about 1.55 billion to 1.75 billion in the first 9 months of this year. And also, when you look at their profit after tax, they actually be able to grow their profit after tax significantly. From about 2.3 million to about 297 million, and also their earning per share also moved from 57 kobo to about 69 kobo. And if you look at the antecedents of university price, it has always been a very good stock, although it's a kind of stock that trade within a specific band. And if you are looking at the current price in the market now, more like at the lower part of the band that is known for. And for me, I feel that the stock is currently underpriced. And when you look at because of the business structure and currently the product line of the business, it means that it's a very good buy for anyone that wants to go into that invest in the company as we speak now. It's a very nice company for anyone to actually want to put your money in because of the antecedents of the company, and also when you look at the consistency at which the company operates, even in times like this where everything is actually very, very dull, and everything actually the economy is actually very tight, but yet the company has still been able to actually grow their revenue and also been able to actually grow their profit after tax and also significantly improve their earning per share. And it means that the company can actually have a very good value for any investors that want to put their money in it.
All right, thank you so much. Very quickly, let's have your reaction because I see you have a lot to say, Ambrose.
No, actually, my colleagues have said it, but I want to add to what you just said.
Okay.
You know, when you look at companies that has their March as year end, you know, investors will always balance their portfolio, looking at where can I have a quick income and get and take home now, because we're already at the end of the year. This March account. That's why when I said last time that people are just doing portfolio reshuffling, selling stocks like Ether, not that because Ether portfolio fundamental has changed, but because people want to take that price and go and buy stock and get the good dividend and come back again. Now also for stock like University Press as March year end, you can see with the impressive number, we're not seeing prices, market reacting to that. But when you saw company like NACO, Fidelity Bank, this result, because people are also looking at December year end, and also take position. You can see for 2 days, 3 days, despite the low liquidity in the market, they reacted to it. But this is impressive number. And also don't forget that the quarter that just ended is quarter forward for publishing company. Why did I say so? Schools have resumed and for a new session, and most of these schools they pay ahead. School resumed in September, and September was the end of the quarter. All this also contributed to see impressive number. But if you look at this kind of company, University Press, Learn Africa, and Academic Press, look at their pattern in terms of result. Once a half year, you see they perform well. Other quarters, you see kind of slow down, but because the cumulative at the end of the year, seeing this as a positive one and strong number, the remaining 2 quarters again, or half year for the account, also going to be a missed number, but at the end of the day, you get dividend. Like he said, the price is always at a good place to look at. This is a strong support level, but because people are looking at those time value of money that can make dividend quickly for those that have December as year end, they are not looking the way. You can see even people are not looking the way of Flower Mill, despite it's a very good company, because people are looking at the year is going to end. Let's take position where I can make money between the end of March or April and come back to this store that have other months as financial end. For me, these results are good, but market have not even reacted more as expected because of low liquidity in the system and also increasing the headwinds, either sovereignty risk and also all those stuff. But I believe that will have potential in the market, that investors are rest assured that good dividend will come because companies are really sure that they have performed. And when you perform, what you do, you pay out, and that will say price feed on what? On earnings.
All right.
Going to the
I think
future,
we'll
we
have
expect
move
to
on
see
from
price going up.
All right, thank you. Mr. Garba, if you can hear me, I'd like you to comment on ICO's unaudited Q3 result. Very quickly, we have about 2 or 3 minutes to do this. The gross premium in 2021 was 54.67 billion naira, and in 2022, it rose to 69.50 billion naira. The percentage change being 27. The profit after tax, 2.37 billion naira. In 2022, they had 6.13 billion naira. The percentage change there, 153%. Now for earnings per share, 9 kobo, 2021. In 2022, 17 kobo. And then for the profit margin, 4.34 in 2021 and 8.82 in 2022. Mr. Garba, if you can hear me very quickly, let's have your thought.
Well, it is a very fantastic result, good result, but the market is not respecting them.
Yes, sir.
Because the price keep on falling. And I cannot understand a company that has an earning of over 17 kobo, by the end of the year, they will have 25 kobo earning. And when you take the PE ratio, you are taking a PE ratio of 2. Yet this stock is trading at 54 kobo. So for long-term investors, serious investors, they should take position now, because this is the cheapest stock I ever see. PE ratio of 2, earning per share of about 25 kobo annualized, yet it's trading at 54 kobo. This is the lowest price I ever saw ICO trading in the last 10 years. So it's better time for a serious investor to take position.
All right. Thank you so much. I think this is a good place to end the show, but I wouldn't do that without having your last thoughts. Very quickly, less than a minute.
Yeah, for me, let's take advantage of low prices and impressive earnings to reposition our portfolio for what? For end of the year rally, Santa Claus rally, and what? And dividend income in 2023.
All right. Thank you so much. Very quickly, Alhaji, let's have your thought.
Well, honestly speaking, the market is down. This is the time to take position for a serious investor.
Okay, that's the same thing. Let's see if Oladipo will say something different.
Yeah, I think for me, I think I'm also doing the line of allergy because since I speaking, the market is highly underpriced, and it's a very good time for anybody to put their money. Rather than risking your money in other investment, I'm sure the equity market will give you a very good return as to speak.
All right. Thank you so much. Well, it's been a wonderful time listening to the gentleman right here with me. I have Mr. Ambrose. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me again.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Garuba, for coming on the show. And thank you also.
Thank you very much.
All right, sir. Thank you, Oladipo Ajayi, for also coming on the show and for sharing your thoughts with us.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Well, this is our offering for today. Many thanks for watching. My name is Perpetua Fasami Peter. Do enjoy the weekend. Bye for now.